friends, so again it's me Hidal Shah and please welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in this session I'm giving you some more examples for the practice based on the method Cauchy's residue theorem. So here you can see that here I have given 9th example, 9th, 10th and 11th example with its answer, so that you can TD your answer with this given answer. So these all the examples I'm giving you for the practice, and one more some more examples I'm also giving you right now only. And here you can see the questions of 12th, 13th and 14th example. So this one also you have to do for the practice, okay. And in this session I'm going to start the same method only, yani ki Cauchy's residue theory, okay, but with the different kind of function. And here the question I am giving you, and the question is evaluate integration over the c e raised to 3 by z dz, where c is mod z equals to 1. So here you can observe in the denominator there is not given any kind of factors in which you are finding simple pole or the pole of order m, okay. But here it's not given any kind of denominator, yani ki any kind of factors, okay. So from the given function only you have to find its residue, okay. And this one will be your almost this example is almost similar to type 1 of residue theory, okay. So let's start with its solution, guys. So first of all I am writing let the whatever the function is given. So f of z will be e raised to 3 by z, right? And here you have to do the expansion for this exponential. And now you know the series of e raised to x by Lorentz series, or we can say that by using Taylor and Maclaurin series, okay. You can definitely expand this function so that it will be 1 plus 3 by z plus, सी इनकी सीरीज में आपको बता रही हूँ, 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल प्लस x3 by 3 factorial plus up to the so on, okay. So like this way you have to expand this function so that it will be 1 plus 3 by z plus 1 upon 2 factorial whole square 3 by z whole square, यानी कि 9 by z square plus up to the so on, okay. And for this kind of series, its residue, the method of finding residue, that will be changed, okay. And this one will be the same like type 1. So therefore I am writing its formula, the residue of f of z at the point, which one, यहाँ पे इनका सेंटर कौन सा है, 0 है. So यहाँ पे एक भी पॉइंट्स नहीं दिया है, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल फाइंड एट द पॉइंट 0 इक्वल्स टू the coefficients of, किसका कोफिशिएंट लिखना है आपको, 1 upon z minus a का, the coefficients of 1 upon z minus a. So here you have to write the coefficient of this function, okay. तो इनका कोफिशिएंट कौन सा मिलेगा हमें, 3 के रूप में, okay. तो यहाँ आपको सिंपल पोल भी नहीं मिल रहा है और पोल ऑफ ऑर्डर m भी नहीं मिल रहा है. Here you can't use type 2 and type 3. So directly you have to do type 1 only, okay. So by using type 1 you have to find its residue here, and at the last with the same formula, that by using Cauchy's integral Cauchy's residue theorem, ओके. सो अभी इनकी फॉर्मूला कौन सी है, दैट इंटीग्रेशन ओवर दिस सी एफ ऑफ जेड डी जेड इक्वल्स टू 2 pi I into the sum of रेसिड्यू, और यहाँ पे आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही रेसिड्यू है, सो इट विल बी 2 pi I into the 3, so it will be 6 pi I. Okay, and this is your integration over the C e raised to 3 by z dz. So this one will be your final answer of this example. Okay, so based on these examples, I'm giving you some more examples for the practice, and here you can see the questions. This all the examples have to do for the practice. Okay, so if you like my today's session, then please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.